people of YouTube. How's it going? I have what I'm pretty sure is the first ReVive Skateboards unboxing video. Yeah. So, I would just like to first thank Andy Schrock for sending this to me and creating ReVive. And I am really hyped about this graphic. Yeah. So let's get into it. First, we gotta have the good knife. Boom. Anyways, so let's get this open. Oh shoot, I hope I didn't cut the, oh I didn't. I did not cut the receipt, that's good. Okay, so, come on now. Boom. Look at the box. Oh yay, okay. So this letter says, it's my receipt. ReVive Skateboards, LLC. Bailey, thanks once again for all the support. You rock. We hope this deck treats you well. Keep skating, Andy. Thank you, Andy. I had a great time today skating, by the way. We were skating at Florence Outdoors, so let's see. First, we got, if I can get it out of the box, sheet of Jessup grip tape. I like this grip tape. It kind of it peels off your board on the sides, but honestly, that's not that big of a deal to me. Sweet ReVive foil graphic. I'm really sorry if they're screaming in the background. It's kind of been crazy. Okay. Oh, another foil graphic. Sweet. And then the main event. Aaron Kyra right there. Any more stickers? Okay, I got two. I didn't think there was anyway. Oh my god. This deck is so sweet. Yeah, I love how this one looks. Thanks, Andy. And, yeah, that's basically the unboxing. Short and sweet. Got the receipt. 2 stickers. We got the grip tape. And yeah, board obviously, and the knife. And this is obviously a We Are ReVive deck, but it's an 8-inch, and I'm loving 8 inches. They are awesome. They have enough weight to them where it's like I actually don't lose control of the board, and like with 775, it's just like small, and I love the shape of this board too, if you can see it. The nose is a little, I think, more rounded off than the nose, but I love the shape, and it has it has good pop, so, and it stays intact well, so yeah. We Are ReVive, it's backwards, of course. We Are ReVive 8-inch ReVive Skateboards unboxing. I think that was the first one. So, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, ReVive Skateboards. That wasn't nice. Later.